Facebook's owner Meta complained to the government about the European Commission fining the company €200 million earlier this year for breaching EU digital market rules. The company warned how it planned to raise the decision with the US administration, amid huge uncertainty about how Donald Trump's tariffs may impact tech sector investment here in Ireland. Meta warned it is impossible to overstate the meaning of the ruling during a Washington meeting with Finance Minister Paschal Donohoe. A series of emails and meeting notes obtained under Freedom of Information also show how the company complained to other ministers and government officials about the Commission's ruling. The fine was issued in April over choices users had around data collection on a pay or consent service the company introduced about 2 years ago. The Commission said this did not allow users to freely consent about how their data was used. Afterwards, Meta accused the EU of attempting to handicap successful American businesses. In correspondence with Public Expenditure Minister Jack Chambers and Enterprise Minister Peter Burke, Meta claimed the decision was bad for business and consumers who could be restricted in their future advertising choices. The company later met with Mr. Burke in Dublin and asked if the government could consider simplifying digital advertising rules next year when it hosts the EU presidency. Meta has since called the European Commission's decision incorrect and unlawful, indicating it will appeal the ruling. You can read more about this on the Irish Independent.